Right, here we go.
I want that for Christmas.
Yeah.
Recording video.
Oh, what is this?
Gotta hit it once.
I can't open it. Stuck.
Richard wanted that really bad.
All the time. I haven't had that for a long time. Yes. I can't open it. Star Wars! Star Wars! I just wanted that very bad. This is such a job. Mom, that was yours. I gave that to you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sweetie.
Yay! 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 Pink Panther! Is this for
What
me?
is it?
Pink Panther! Mama, this is for your movie. I love that movie. Richard! This big present is for me. But it's very heavy.
Okay, son.
Wow! I got this for Christmas. I just wanted this very bad. A train set. Dad, this is for you. Yes, Richard. What do I like?
Alright. Thank you.
Somebody got me a box. Oh, Richard. Somebody got me a box.
Oh, someone got Richard a box.
What is it? What's in the box?
Careful, what's in it?
Thanks, Dad.
Yay, cake pops! I want to open them. Shoes! Mom, this doesn't have a who, what, when, where, why.
Richard's is the green one and yours is the red one. No, yours is the green one. Yeah, that's yours, and then Richard's is the red one.
Clothes?
What is that kind of clothes?
Socks?
No, look closer. What is that?
Underwear.
Ew.
Richard.
What is that?
Oh. What is it?
Richard, this is for us. This is for both of us.
Okay, go ahead and open it, Jill.
Look, Richard, this is an Xbox 360. A new helicopter. Helicopter.
Oh,
That
wow.
is something I always wanted. This doesn't say. Mom, this doesn't say either.
That red one is Richard's.
This one?
Uh-huh.
I
Oh, wow, Richard, you got your helicopter. There's a bunch over here, Jill.
You guys got more? Hey. I guess Dad wasn't that good this year.
look.
What is it?
This is
What is that? for Richards.
Wow! Dad, this is from you. This is a special one. And see, he never writes it like that. This is for you too. Dad, look.
Wow.
Dad, look, this is for you too. Dad, look.
Thank you.
Nips, this is for DC and Nicholas.
Uh-oh, we have to let the Neps open theirs. Hey, son, let Dad help you do that.
Dad,
Open yours.
yay! It's open this. Yay, it's gonna be the scared thing.
Open your other presents
I
first.
want to watch this one first. That one's Richard's. Is this one his? Yeah. Richard's. This one's heavy. A new video game.
What?
All right.
Video game.
Wow.
And this one's for Grandpa.
No, that one's Amanda's.
No,
Did you open Amanda's? You opened Amanda's.
no, Richard.
No, that one was for Amanda from Grandpa.
No, it says Richard.
Okay.
No way. No way. You can have this scissors. Mommy. Yay!
Those are from me.
Yay! Thank you. To Dad. Dad. Yay! This is for you.
Okay.
Open it. It's yours. Open.
She got it. I think you opened Amanda's, son.
Where?
That helicopter. One is for you, one is for Amanda.
You both got them.
Wow.
One from Grandpa, one for you, one for Amanda.
This is something you always wanted.
Richard, I have your helicopter up there. Let's give that to Amanda.
How did they get this kind of box?
We'll give this one to Amanda. Here.
See,
Go, here.
look at this kind of box.
Here's, I already opened yours, son. Up there. It's up on the counter.
They're pretty cool.
Santa ate the cookies. Haha, Santa ate the cookies.
There. Here.
This just won't open.
Here.
I don't want to
Oh,
rip it.
wow.
Just rip it.
This isn't this far. I don't want to rip it.
Okay, we're gonna load her back up.
Just rip it. It's okay. It's just going in the trash anyway. Oh, here's the nip. She has to. Oh, are you okay? She has to open her gift.
This is something I always wanted.
You just have to be done with all your presents. Come on.
Yes.
You're funny, Jill.
Richard Harpson. This something I always wanted.
Let's see what it looks like.
There's one more. There's one more. This is that one. That's it. Beautiful.
That tin is for you kids.
You get that too? NBC. Other pair of clothes.
Another pair of clothes.
Xbox 360.
Wow, look, it's a Kinect. You don't need a controller. Look, you guys, look, the kind
Well-
you can box each other without controllers.
You're gonna have to set it up and show them. Very cool.
Where is
Okay, you kids have to let the Nips open their gift now.